Greetings from Costa Rica. If you're looking for a home that's in a gated community, close to the beach, 100% turnkey, ready to move in, comfortable, private, and surrounded by forest, I'd like to present to you my newest exclusive listing here in Tierra Pacifica, an ecological gated community that you've seen on my channel before. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that measures about 1,375 square feet, and really it epitomizes what people want in their Guanacaste home. First of all, you'll notice the open floor plan that creates a beautiful flow all the way from the front door to the back door patio sliders. Second, you're going to see that the current owners have upgraded and fine-tuned every aspect of this home. The doors and windows have been replaced recently. You've got a new kitchen, fixtures, bathrooms, everything has been upgraded to make this a very comfortable home here in 2024. The home has the perfect location. First of all, within Tierra Pacifica, you're on an interior lot, so bordered only by other Tierra Pacifica properties. Second of all, you actually are at the end of a private spur within the Tierra Pacifica community, and you only have a couple of neighbors who use that spur in the road to come to their properties. And Tierra Pacifica itself is located only a mile from the pristine beach here in Playa Tamarindo. It has 24/7 security. There's a wonderful community center with a multi-tiered pool, gym, and jacuzzi. You've got barbecue areas, hiking trails, and over 80 acres of Tierra Pacifica's total area was roped off to create green spaces. You're about 45 minutes from Playa Tamarindo, where you have access to all kinds of amenities, giant supermarkets, and the nightlife there. And we're only about an hour and 30 minutes from the Liberia International Airport. For people looking to truly enjoy the best that Guanacaste has to offer, this is a special home. Your lot layout is created so that you have a private back porch surrounded by forest that's the absolute perfect place to enjoy the outdoors. Then, just behind me, you have your indoor screened-in porch that's part of your living space where you can absolutely enjoy those times of day, even when there are a few more bugs outside. And the whole space flows together. The open floor plan creates a wonderfully spacious feel here. Despite the fact that this is relatively a modest home, it feels extremely warm, welcoming, and open thanks to the floor plan. As of August 2024, the asking price for this home is $470,000. To learn more, be sure to send me an email to matt@costaricamatt.com. Thanks for watching.